goes. He's taking his little front steps.
You done? Alright, he's done.
Balance, 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 balance. There he goes. Balance, balance, balance. There you go.
Walking like
There
his
you go.
corns is killing him.
Oh, you got it popping
These
right
bunions
now.
is busting my ass. I can't stand walking on my feet.
Yeah, you got it?
Thanks, buddy.
Nice.
Thanks, Pop.
Hello, my name is Mark and today we're going to draw a truck. Let's draw one. First, we draw the front of the truck.
Little He-Man.